Hey everyone, it's Donna. I'm doing this video today because this is something I've never tried and I'm curious about it myself, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys today just to see what's in this box and see how this ends up for me. I went into the drugstore the other day to get some hair dye. There's no hair dye out there, none. At least not in my color and what I was needing. And I wanted something that was gluten-free, that was kind on the hair. And so I went online and I ordered this Madison reed. I went into their site and I got this box a few days ago actually. And I've been letting it sit because I'm afraid of the coronavirus. So I let it sit until the virus died on the box. But they sent me this box. It's kind of heavy, and I got the beginner box. It was like $60 or something, but I'm buying it to touch up my roots. And here's what happened when I called them. I said, you know, my color is this. It kind of matches this color you have online. The colorist said, can you send me a picture of your hair? One on the sides of your hair and one at the roots. And I thought, wow, this is different. This is actually a colorist looking at my hair to tell me what I should put on it. So I sent her the pictures. She was looking at it while we were talking, and she said, here's the color I would suggest. And I said, it's too dark. She told me the color, and I said, no, it's too dark. She goes, your root color, I'm basically gray, you guys. But the root color that you have on here is a darker color. We want that to match so that when your colorist at home, when they open back up, when they come in to do your highlights, there'll be no trouble. I thought, okay, let's do it. So right now what I've been using is I use a root touch-up spray, and that's working just fine. But I do want something to color my hair just so that it looks more natural. So I wanted to see what's inside this box, and I thought I'd bring you along with me so that we could see what's in this beginning style, this box is for color, okay? So just like my unboxings for everything else, I thought let's take a look and I'll do it with you guys. So the first thing in here is this box, and it says Madison Reed, okay? Kind of nifty. And it has some tape on it. And I'm gonna probably need a knife. Hang on, I've got one right here. Let's cut it. And then it opens up like this. Ooh, let's see what's inside here. Well, a card just fell. The card says 100% money back guarantee. Okay, that's good. And then on the other side it says our top 3 tips for gorgeous results. Follow the rules, saturate fully, and call our pros if you have any questions. Do that. Okay. And then they'll refund your money on your first box 100%. If you don't like it, you just call this number. That's pretty cool. Okay. So if it doesn't color your gray or something like that, or it's the wrong color, you can always call them up. It says we want to do our part to help. Use gloves sparingly. So for now, you'll receive 1 pair of gloves in a kit instead of our usual 2 pairs of gloves. Okay, I can do that. And then they have the safety instructions and the instructions how to apply it. Okay. And I kind of get it. When they're doing the 1 pair of gloves instead of the 2, that's pretty cool. Then here's the gloves. They're little black gloves, and they've got them wrapped up together. We have the conditioning color activator. Okay. They've given me, wow, there's everything in this thing. I have some caps, but they've given me a cap. And here we have Radiant Cream Color. Then we have 2 packets here, a shampoo and a conditioner that they've given me. Okay. And a cleansing wipe and a barrier cream. This keeps the dye from sticking to your skin. Okay. Now inside the box it says this, the ingredients with integrity. It's free of ammonia, parabens, resveratrol, gluten-free, and PBD, and here, let me just show it to you. Because I'm torturing some of these words, and if you can see that, there we go. And this is why I ordered from them, because I don't like gluten. So then inside here, let me show you. There's some paper. Is there anything below it? Wow. Wow. Oh, I know what this is. I asked for a reviving, let's see, what did I ask for here? They have sent me a bottle of the shampoo and conditioner, because this is the beginning of, like boxing. And I also asked for a toner. And this must be the toner, the Color Reviving Gloss, because I like a toner on my hair to take the brassiness out. So I asked for that. And they also sent me a cap. I believe that's what that is. No, this must be the gloves. So what is this? It must be the gloves to apply the toner. That's what they did. So actually, I do have 2 pairs of gloves, because these are gloves. And then there's some more paper, and that is the end of this box. So my plan is, ladies and gents, I'm going to, not this week, but next week I will touch up my roots. I'm not going to do it. And what I do whenever I'm doing something like this, I take a small bowl, and people probably shouldn't follow my lead because I am not a hairstylist. But in the past, when I have colored my own hair, I will take like 1/3 at a time, and I use it this way. I'll put 1/3 of the tube, 1/3 of this, and I mix them in a bowl. I have a little brush, hairdresser's brush that I bought from Sally's Beauty Salon. And what I do is I just go through and I touch up my roots, and I just do it like the stylist does, putting it on slightly so it doesn't destroy my highlights. So, and that way I can get 3 applications out of one thing. And maybe I shouldn't do that, but that's what I do. And I am on their list to get a package of the color every month. Although I may start just doing some touch-up sprays in between. We'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, that's it for right now. I hope you guys are able to color your hair. I hope you're able to find hair color. This has been a trial for all of us. So hang in there, and I'm going to do another video today. I bought some North Face online, and they are having some great sales out there, ladies and gents, on different companies. They want to push their merchandise. So go ahead and take a look online, and maybe you'll find some good sales going on right now. And we will stop right now. And by the way, this is the last month of my alt therapy. These are my results, I think, for the next year, and I'm loving it. So if you want to go back and look at October of 2019, you can see where I started with my alt therapy and where I'm at right now. And I'm liking it. So everybody hang in there, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.